Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the very top to find About Phone. Now scroll down and enter Backup and Restore. Find this Google Backup section and tap on Backup. Tap on Next. Tap on Add Account. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. And Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just tap on it to learn more and tap on I agree after the reading. Here we have to decide who will be, not who will be, but what data we actually want to backup. So photos and videos or other device data, it's totally up to you. You can mark both, you can mark only one, up to you as I said, and tap on Confirm. Then tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.